how Ukrainian singing sounds to a non-Ukrainian speaker. Ever wondered how a song in your language might sound to someone who doesn't understand it? Let's take a musical dive and find out. Bratokjoman solvik trofkim jaltan neolak selvik torlan tolvik koran drovnik beltan sermak belrak jonglan tirtik torbak selvik belram joltan kalving dramak holtan pilsak milvik joltir torban sormak koltan temrak belvik joltan serik tovik trovak peltan koram trodvik jormak. No, this isn't what real Ukrainian sounds like. Because it's not Ukrainian. It's just gibberish like my channel name suggests. But there will always be some who miss the point and comment that's not what Ukrainian sounds like. All because they didn't get the joke. I feel like I'm reading your minds already. Follow me if you want to hear Spongebob singing more languages in hilarious gibberish.